Welcome back, friends. Today I'm sharing cozy table decorating ideas, quick and easy blue fold table setting inspiration that's simple, budget friendly, and functional. If you're new here, I'm Sonia, and on this channel I share cozy seasonal decorating ideas to help you create a home you love. If that sounds like your vibe, I'd love for you to hit that subscribe button and join me for more cozy decorating inspiration. I wanted to create a table setting that was simple and functional, something that would work well for my family. I don't personally host Thanksgiving since both my mom and my mother-in-law host, so we'll actually go to two turkey dinners in one weekend. But I do love putting together a fancier meal at home just for us, so this table setting is perfect for that. So let me show you what I'll be using. I got this linen fabric from a friend, and I thought it would be perfect for making napkins. For napkin rings, I'll be using these simple, inexpensive ones I found on Temu. Another budget-friendly option I'm adding are these beautiful blue and white floral plates I found at Dollar Tree. I was so surprised to see these, and I think they're absolutely stunning. They go so well with the ever-growing blue theme that's becoming so popular for fall and now even into Christmas. For a not so budget friendly touch, I'll be mixing in my fine china. This set was a gift from my husband's grandmother for our wedding, so it holds a very special place in our hearts. I've been trying to use it more often rather than just letting it sit in the cupboard. Along with it, I'll also be including the matching wine glasses that came with the set. I'm also using these woven placemats from Temu that I picked up last year and some beautiful ribbed glasses from Dollarama that were just $1.75 each, which I will be showing you shortly. Such a great find. And for cutlery, which I don't have them here right now, I'll be bringing out the fancy set that my aunt gifted me for my wedding as well, which I always like to use whenever we have a special meal together. Now let's start with the napkins. I want to make 6 of them, so I'm cutting the fabric in half and then cutting each half into 3 equal pieces. If you sew, you could stitch the edges so they don't fray. I don't sew and I actually don't mind a little fringing, but I may ask my mom to add a straight stitch just so it doesn't go too far. The fabric also has a nice edging already, so I'll be using that to feature when I fold them. Let's start assembling the place settings. I'm only going to show you one so it's not too repetitive. First, I'm laying down the woven placemat. Then I'm adding my fine china dinner plate. This set is called Mikasa Palatia Platinum, if I remember correctly. On top, I'm layering the Dollar Tree blue floral plate, and I love how the pop of blue really stands out. Next, I'm adding the ribbed Dollarama glass and pairing it with the wine goblet from my china set so that everyone has a glass of water and one for wine. Since I have adult children, it's nice to be able to serve both at a meal like this. Then I folded my fabric napkin so that the finished edge shows, slipped into the napkin ring, and placed my fork and knife beside the plate. I played around with a few different ways to set the cutlery, but I like the best on each side. And here is how the setting looks, and then here is what the full table looks like once everything is set. Most of the time, this is exactly how I'd leave my table, ready for the food to be served family style. But you could definitely add a tablecloth or a runner underneath. I only have a couple of runners, but I've seen some beautiful brown and white gingham tablecloths that I think would look amazing here. So I may still add one before Canadian Thanksgiving rolls around. For the centerpiece, I kept it low so it doesn't block anyone's view. I used a woven vase filled with faux hydrangeas, a DIY I actually shared on my other channel. To bring in a touch of fall, I tucked in a couple of small pumpkins on either side of the vase. And for the fun extra detail, I placed tiny pumpkins directly on the plates. I have them in different colors, so it was nice to use them up this way. And here's the final look: simple, cozy, and just a hint of fall. I hope you enjoyed this cozy blue fall table decorating ideas video and that it gave you some inspiration for your own table this season. Remember, you don't have to use fine china, even plain white plates with a few budget friendly touches would look just as beautiful. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more cozy seasonal decorating inspiration. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.